So, this showed up at our office today. The team at DentaFab sent us their latest version of the SEGA PRO 3D printer to test, review, and run through our full R&D workflow. They paid for express shipping and laid us out the red carpet just to get this printer to us. Massive thanks to DentaFab for the trust, and shout out to Jessica for making this happen. But without further ado, let's unbox it and see what's inside and talk the first impressions. First things first, right out of the box, the build quality is impressive. Sleek aluminum alloy casting, a 7-inch color touchscreen, and a special chamber that is built for volume. Think full arches, multiple models, splints, surgical guides, and dentures, all in a single print session. In terms of size, the SEGA PRO has a pretty compact footprint for production class printer. Here's what you will find inside. The SEGA PRO 3D printer unit itself, a pre-installed resin tray and build plate, power cable and Ethernet cable, USB drive, and of course, all the essential tools, scraper, gloves, funnel, and cleaning accessories. Let's dive into what really matters, performance. Printer technology, it's fast LFP. Print speed, it's up to 90mm per hour at 50 micron layer thickness. Z layer thickness options, 150 and 25 microns, flexible for a wide range of dental applications. Large build volume, 120 by 68mm. Projector wavelength, 385 nanometer for compatibility with a variety of dental resins. Connectivity, it's equipped with 5 GHz Wi-Fi and USB drive support. Touch interface. It features a 7-inch color touchscreen, offering an intuitive and user-friendly interface. The UI is clean and easy to navigate. Whether you're a solo practitioner or managing a busy lab, this system won't slow you down. Over the next few weeks, we're going to put the SEGA PRO through real-world R&D, run test prints, and document the results across multiple workflows. We'll be sharing everything: print speed, reliability, software integration, you name it. So make sure to subscribe here on YouTube, follow us on Instagram and TikTok for the latest updates.